Okay, so we're going to finish off Hound Dog. We've got most of the piece now. We've got all the main sections. However, what we haven't got is the little coda section that you're going to tag onto the end of the piece to finish it. So if I went now from bar 22, I just want to show you how it all fits together. So here we are on the second page. Here's bar 22. And then when we get to the end of bar 22, we don't go on to the last line. It says DS al Coda. So that's Dal Segno al Coda. So that's from the sign. So S stands for Segno, so you just think the S stands for sign. And here is the sign right back at the beginning. So you can see at the end we go back into the tune, ba bam bam ba bam ba, and then that takes us back to here, dun dun. So we play all of that. We play 2 lines, and basically what we're looking out for is the place where it tells us to go to the coda, and that will then take us to the last line. So we play the first line. We play the second line, and then as we come on to the third line, there it is, and then there's a little double line there as well. So you jump from there to the last page and you finish it off. So that's what we're going to look at now. So let's just look what happens in the right hand. So if I go all the way from where we jump back to the beginning, your right hand bit goes, so that's the second bar. Then with your little finger. Then you put your thumb on the C. Now we're going to jump. Now instead of going, which is what we did the first time, it's going to go, because we're jumping from bar 10 to the end, to the last line, okay? Dum dum bum bum. And then instead of going D, C, it goes D, E flat, and you play 3 of them. Ba, da, da, da. Left hand little bit, and then a chord at the end. So here it is. The right hand goes. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And your final chord is really big and accented and held. B and E. I'll show you one more. 1, 2, 3. So I'll try that again. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Chord. Let's look at what the left hand's going to do here. So your left hand's going to go the bit that we do at bar 10. That's going to be the same. So this is bar 10. Jump to bar 26, which also starts with an F. And then you've got this little bit at the end. So I'll show you that a few times. So now I wanted to put my little finger on that C, but actually I want you to put your 4th finger on the C. So you're going to go 4 to 2, and that's slurred because it's got a little line under it. So, but then break it all up. Get the idea? So here it is. So if I put those little bits together, I'm going to go from where we go back to the sign. So that's the whole piece now. There's all the various bits. So I need to do a bit of work on that, try and put it all together. And remember, if you want to see a performance, the whole thing, there is a full performance video as well.